We thank you, Lord, for all the blessings na binigay mo sa amin. Sa mga opportunities, simula ng mangarap ako na makapag-aral at makatapos kahit working student lang para maging maganda ang future ng family ko. We are thankful and grateful to you, Lord, na pagkatuwang namin na itaguyod ang pag-aaral ng aming 3 anak. Akala ko tapos na.
You turn on lightning and spark up a fire. When you do you, when you do you, keep stomping on.
Meron pa pala. Dito mo pala kami dadalhin, Lord, sa I Am Worldwide, na kahit senior na kami ay pwede pa rin matupad ang pangarap namin. Dream in our heart, success in our mind. This is just the beginning for our legacy. Our mission to share this amazing pure organic barley and give hope to everyone.
You're knocking down the doors. When you do you, when you do you, go on and do your thing. Go on and do your thing. Keep on doing you.
I'm Ludi I. Tasani,
I'm Lando Otasani.
and
I am worldwide.
To God be the glory.